That's my man Kofi Super Pride. Well, this one, big God. And that's the God we serve. He's big. So big that you can't even explain how big he is. That's what it is, y'all. Hey. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. And of course, welcome to your own show. Of you cross on Adom 106.3 FM. Check it out time now, 3:30. This is Ghana's #1 radio station. Glad to be here with you one more time. My name is Jerry Justice. As like I said, come my team, Papa Bill South African, to man like Jamestown J. Cole. Together we're rocking you from now till 6 in the PM. This is a very special one, Pa. Uncle Emma, Mr. Godwin Tamaklu of Puma Energy. Papa, ni feeling you with yes. Big God. Big God. But on Friday, and as you already know, on Fridays, you show no, you have formula beyond to home. Share on record, my country. This one will be say muff. It be where we started do this thing where people everywhere they follow, where they do something there. It be where we started to say on Fridays day. What is she be about crying? When we start to do Freestyle Friday, you know me now. Right now, if you listen to radio, you catch Friday, but everybody say they do Freestyle Friday. Oh man. Don't be now. Now, and that Freestyle Friday, yeah, the Bama style, baby. But you want to want a dorsal pie. But I said that there be a mechanic. Pass it, yeah, be a human buana, if you become one, some bomb deck. Easy. And Tom Copim says 6 bebono. You be proper chick, come on. Oh, it's baby, I will be just join us. And if you have access to Facebook and you're not just say what to Medi, what the answer Oko Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Connect with us. And in no time, yeah, they videos of our time, and the videos of our time, they brought us, which say Freestyle Friday videos of our time. You are the God of all flesh. And the video now, me yatrono. In fact, as I said, me yire me ho plan. Nah, me prove say yes, I'm a man. Nah, me de shame it. You know, I say me psych me one sana. Oh. So and yes, Jerry, this one it is just on phone. So watch it, nothing will happen to you. And then you may so say we come na my catch or say your special program where you was sorry. And they have me point, me sorry. Indeed, me quite have me bomb pie kakra. You be a better friend. Yes, I pan kasa video me because me we are saying by a deba kwa me so we are saying bia. Hey snake. I hate snakes. But in the videos of our time, hey, there will be a pound. Oh my goodness. And today also will be a usro or what to say me. What the name kwa the nyakukudro kakra. Ne shasa or way ne skills. Because my team force wa female shade no. About your Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Just join us there now. It's our saying Chibia by can't see Aquatab water purification tablet and our food lovers right. Yeah, the videos of our time, bro. And also, my referee said, and then a global hand washing day. Yeah. Pacho, and Global Hand Washing Day. Now, another day, if the sickness is strong, Aquatabs water purification tablet. Almost celebrating Saturday. Gym now, Global Hand Washing Day. Say we want to engage in partnerships, research, policies, and innovations to develop resilient hand hygiene and wash systems. Hashtag Global Hand Washing Day. Hashtag our future at hand. Etienne baby I will be went to me and your crown. What the modern say obey me ashe na wa wash ons away. Aquata for saying can't you say safer water, safer world. Not just say Ubia Waton was it name. Nothing too hard for him. Timmy my reference to Sobemount Saka Aquatab water purification tablet. Waja Tunsun. Netimia Kumsun Mumwamwina and Suna Tekrogen Kamadiama war. Sabia bit me avoid waterborne diseases and also look out for Aquatab food safe. Wako Kruma Kotor fruits and vegetables no. And far ordinary water and washing. Use Aquatab food safe na efa washing hunina. Ebe kum germs and bacteria na one hunina. Sabia Mudia Munkunya Simbia. And who asked someone no. FDI Mushimwaji Atum say yeah. Chemical shops, pharmacies, supermarkets, all doing in the Mubenabi. And yes, our phrase 020-907-7726. So one cry out. Kumase Fonso Befray 050-169-4275. Nakophobia for phrase 0244-593-381. And watching your fast day, do my food lovers rise. And more than that, what to prepare any rice meal be a coye, say a jollof, fried rice, plain rice, white cheese, and now I want more rice. More de bruta. Very easy to cook, and it tastes great in every grain. Food lovers rice, made for better eating experience. Amadama, and I videos of our time, bro, and I will feel quantum media so. Mr. Patro, and then quite gada courage kakra, a woman said we will be a usro. Send me a metia. Mimi say menam, baby, I'm a nam fa coffee. Nami who say, or will be a fa quine wa. That is the end. I'll have to look for a new place. Me fast I who be me for who be what's all day. No way. Oh, I said me some catch them that. Some time ago now, my packet case if you na. Anopana mene momi nkwan ofi na me wo shika no kakra ne ade a. Na mami bi etwam. Na mami no ndu ha brante bi twam ani hwe na ompedua bi manahwe owo bi wa ha na na mami Pacho, she's not going to be out on why. But Tim said, the way I may catch and say, Mammy, she's not going to be out on. Now, my mammy, if you are, I'm saying, Mommy, on the now, how say, Kukas, I should be said, I say, and the answer now, I make us. I'm sure Mammy be named now, or so, or will be the team pub by me, who say, Jama Mammy, no more. Or what, me, but where dear, Mamma, me show movie crana or was seen bumper. No, as I'm human to check a crana, as I see it. But my first one, Timia She, Adiasa or we aye. Join me on Facebook. Videos of our time. Now, Eshe, say a dear crana or we ya, Jerry can was him. Meantime, I'm my fees of a mamma frano Kel Kits toothpaste at the Chumo. And only I come a day a strawberry. I want it's a man and my friend used to the Chumo, says I said the Omudi Toffino. It protects your gum, no preventive cavity. I'm almost saying very strong and healthy with freshness all day. FDI Muchimwaja to say, yeah, it's more friend 2 to 6 years for no. Mama found on and come up power. If it's Samara Company Limited, Kel Kits, happy smile. Young comfort dominion about powder mouth. Abusia Numbi. Now and normalize your blood pressure anymore. Heart and kidney related problems. So be here for your stroke, diabetes. Yeah, this pain, power, spine, we back up. And my immune system, no so why then. Nana watch about. Hello, about. Kings Walk about. Little George Health Shop, Tema Community 5, Repart Ventures, and when you now be near Dodo Pan Furniture and Coco, also share Angels Dominion Bar Center. Over phrase 0543 158 195. Of 0249 591 843. Dominion Bar Powder, your number one immune booster. Sabe now who better come na or how be am rich, you know. You can for floral disposable handkerchief amount. O prepare we ya na or ya attraction boko. O ya hit sing na there pa. O bo wa no abepa. What I say, who en senior de adina na all the papa na bibia come pa. And also look out for floral toilet rolls, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, as well as floral table box tissues. These are available in a shop near you. The door pan of Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Afraid Joko for video no so medical car abusia brassesia or Facebook. So access to Facebook nkwade obetimi ajoin here. Na ehwe video and adwuma ne doso ye nche bebre wo videos of our time no ntino wan ye ntemo abeba na ye kasa esi ya pene no ano ye ene obi eni asem na you moving on to the next thing. Aquatab water purification tablet and afi food lovers rice omadama ene ye video pacho video na start show no make us say dan there's a wo trend there video na no o no start na adwuma na wo ye papa minim se owo no one na tena fini mofra bremu a na de abedu ba bi owo yani a wai tintintin se ntu em se owo no nim no ene em se okasa kire owo na owo no so te na ba bi ote no madfish ewo ho won sa enam mo friends en otwi opoku ana nye we no friend opoku no sa enam no adwen okay eti adwen yes e friend adwen omo ehyehyehye fom ewo nsuom ena amana de dawo papa no ne owo na kasa ena owo tintintin minim so owo we ne efe na ochire bin so primary I don't know ena ode owo no akɔhye amana mu nsuo no mu na minim so owo no timi hye nsuo mu sa akra abra onya mframa ho min so survive ena owo na akɔhye ho ena wako hunahuna fish na ehyehyɛ entu hwa fish kese opoku akese pie fi amana mu ba ena papa nso kita basket ena no so ejina no no hotwen enti fish na ba ni na no so gada wom wo de hwe fish akese hwe we enya fe no de ade bi ade fish bi anekoyi ode owo na ye fish no etimi kase hwe owo no guso hye amana mu onsuo no na ohunahuna fish no amana mu wa na fish no de by force apie na omo ababonten na ne boss no so achiche fish no na ode omo gu basket me kase basket ma full of fishes ani no papa ya amre ho kura se ogina ho ani se fish no mo apie ba opie ba na waso mu boko no ache wato hwe ni kakra hwe kese ena omu na apie ba oguso a wocheche omo no na oguso oche owo no shamena no mo a meka se mo mra na mama ntem no wo hu time ode owo no hye no owo no meka se oguso hye amena no a o hwehuna enam no ewo efom ewo nsuo no enti otwete no mo a na emmoa no fish no e de ahomete no mo apie afi nsuo no aba abonten ti omo ba na akwa na chiom he ne basket ode koye no he and a load of fish na gumu ama there's no space in the basket again he wa bonema full of fish it is say or twan ma wona pie afi nsuo no mu aba na owo no ba ono atam ne wo aside nako na da foforo aside na ba hwe odren sai hyehye na oye dede bi o nsuo na no se de be ya owo no be pia ba aish Jesus ni tin pia ba mi yem hyehye me hwe owo na pia ba no hwe hwe wo tintintin ati se hwe ana wa chi no hwe oso wa yadwuma wa ya de pa wa ma fish bibria ba hwe ena ode ne se fa ayi owo no hu se ya che sai se obo na ba so eti owie ye no ena ode owo na to fish bibri na o chechire omo no so no ena che se all man basket no so full of fishes ena ode koi look at that Now when I'm sure and I'm dream say enti ode owo no share amena mu wo no owo no hunu fish no enti say owo no ka fish ba ku bi a and a fish ndi a umitipi na wache ne ya enti poison e owo no mu na ko never be na ko so mitim say owo na ka fish ni bia wo de video na sa start bi enti won beginning no said the oye ya or the one ram and no de and ashas you he it you want ko sham na no ensuo no no and no starting na fish no what the pressure fish no be pie give you 1 2 3 4 gidi no mu na pie babontin sa two babontin pe na kapu acho o babontin pe no acho we nya fe no ko pesa de de ko fish di ko pe nam sha no ne ade ko dabi and no for poison bi enkoku ensuo no or one head that works in the mano. And I mean, say, or one, I don't know how long I will train this out or we are or one let me say, me run it, me could ram them wa, as some team could room fish now on fish away, almost now they are meeting a pew because all of Frabam and moi, or when you're near few are on building. Somebody. And I'm not kesi pa opoku. My goodness. What show me na wi na the basket na e ma no. E no no man ankasa de nsa ko share. Ensu na no amana na no. E no de nsa ye style bi ai se ohun nsu no ye no style bi. Oye ne sa wi na apena owina apie fi amana nu aba. Wasachi owo no boko. E de na kan ne ma ho de ne ko. Say you pay you, say you train you, say you you. I can't think far. Anyways, catch us say we a Freestyle Friday videos of our time. Any of the abrewi. Madfish na say no ana opoku na. Say ana. Asa madfish is different. No poku ye dey. Opoku epum. And we are there. And we are dream. I dream a mad fish. No? Okay. All right, I got it. Anyway, Biana, I will show now. It's mad fish. A balancer and Jim friend. And now I bought them to Nandri. Hey, how do you? Na sa we we pie owo we onya wa hon o ka ba ko pa otimi wo oye one of the most dangerous snakes unso one you mu styles dey bring sa we oye serious intiminim how the man was able to train and kaminim owo akese bi no mo han kala bi te se military yi no omo na ya ankrofo timi e de omo yes obo se magicians yi etimi e de omo ye nema but that type of way there, or a no nonsense snake. One clever snake pan. Anyways, let's jump into this new joint from Obapa Christie. The Glory. I'm gonna say opokuno your friend no tuna fish. Okay, you need your fish. They are fake crowd, my bread. Facebook vui I feel on me almost say you mad fish I feel almost say a catfish. So and pacho fish experts no video no go on that Facebook o monjana monje fish be why because me the minimum je ko na catch am say mad fish. But I feel a man for say a catfish. It which fish is this fish? Fish ni mini musa ba mini repa. But I dare ba kwa mini mupa ye glovo because me on app ni bi on my phone so. Me here bibia won kan ha me nya raw to glovo so app na me nsa kan sharp. Also betimi a download the glovo app no. From the Google Play Store or App Store because they say oh mama delivery service one can I de come up obet me all that or favorite food no from that special restaurant and now be deliver package B and I grab it me shopping for groceries that supermarket no emo all on Glovo any day bread war Glovo app no is not only easy to use and convenient name bet me I expect all this no delivered in minutes now chronos download the app necessary na use to say promo code we GLOVODEYGH that's Glovo Day GH GLOVODEYGH now bet me 10 cities off your first order with Glovo order anything and get it delivered in minutes. Then I done talk on Facebook. Isaac Kweku say this fish is mostly found in the mud when the river rises up. So that is why it is called mud fish. I want you to there be. It is catfish. Shadi Dilemma. Also there, but also no. It is lagoon fish. And you mentioned by money ding a snake in a watching by a snake fish. Charles Sass and Kraus will say a cassava fish. Hey, and I said, me pacho Airtel Tigo to go supremo no. Orokodo. Run here, I'm out for the cash. Now try there. Ghana have fun baby I will be it is raining cash, yes. Yes, shower cash now go so every hour, every week, every month. I say just a scan side you to gumsa. And once over dial star 500 hash. That's 500 hash. Now while recharge with 5 cities or more, what build a point. I feel better bundle now what you sue. I feel a 30 go money transaction also you know more won't say unya. I have more points. Samsung in daily SMS trivia. I'll bet me don't watch him 30% respect. More now answer questions now unya more points. Say I'll bet me the cash be. In fact, so we need BBA. You better contact her with only this number 0260-000-100. Any other number be for us where we need to be or Airtel Tigo to me so or boy a scam. Airtel Tigo, life is simple. And a closing date for submission of entries at the Richoko essay competition. I am sure say what the one by now was submitted them. And so the day is not over yet. Omodia Buremu, away Malcolm Outlet, away Kanishi, East Legon, Teshi, Tema, Frafraha, Madina, La Paz, and Afe Kissima. Nema Honyaha. Ne drop in our tea ya. Also Kashi, Ubetimia DB. Oh. Okay, me pacho muntio catfish versus mudfish and chimuno and ebano. Or say what makes them different because it looks like say the fish back on I say a catfish, it be say a mudfish. Now, a chichim kakreoni, how much catfish and mudfish, they have similar features. They both have slippery skin. Without scales. Fish and colors so similar. What I say? Now to them, part now bet me who say we see and we see a Honna movie they called the nest. I say catfish can be easily identified because they have pronounced bubbles which looks like cat whiskers. On say I didn't treat your man hona. I had to say a jamwa ade enwimine or one and home fian bino. Omocha catfish no ewe no bi. But mudfish do not have that. What I say. That is the difference between them. But they're not actually almost I didn't be all. And a be also almost PF Zumba, so I didn't be no more. Which means fishes no not a be a mud fish and a be a catfish. It's more almost a catfish no. Munye mistake. Most almost a mud fish no. Munye mistake. Ne mumu e munchichi muno. Any a diamawi. Sa fishes we no. Omo esepa omo color said omo skin etie ne ade omo ni scales wo omo ne ade ni na emum omo ano fimfim na ete say ejamo ade no and the differentiate between the two ema ntu ye frɛ baako catfish and a baako mudfish na che say mudfish no ono oni ano fimfim ni bi but catfish no e wa ano fimfim eno a na ne chimu a ebetimi e de ama wo I feel moment in your course on Facebook on in your way. To be at about your October DSTV is all mouth 10 reasons why SSO to me stay connected or subscribe in the 10th month of the year. Reason number 1 is and season 2 of Sankofa Island. Adria good and then on Aquaba Magic. And our exclusive Europa and Conference League matches and also air course on Super Sport. Samsung the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and so air course for One Magic. And the unbeatable DSTV app here and also multi manage your account in so you can watch on the move. And also the fifth reason is that fresh box office movies every week. Reason number 6, DSTV catch up. And also the boss said I'll miss an episode of your favorite series. I'll bet me I share. Catch up. Afe premium subscribers ebenya Showmax added for free. Na fe compact and a compact plus subscribers no enya Showmax for 50%. Their torso number 9 captivating and educational kids content on good DSTV so. And finally EPL, La Liga, Serie A games in now so Ejagu hot and then it's in patch bet me out to DSTV decoder with installation and 1 month access subscription for only 169 Ghana cedis. Bet me upgraded to a compact with an additional 108 cedis. Send the DSTV code 1731. Nefajina so eto AO DSTV decoder for fraud. DSTV, this is your moment. And that's definitely the new one from Obapa Christie. Let's jump into this one from Dinah Hamilton. Hey. Haba. Ah. Do. A radio. You be a woo. Now I have you pay. Haba.
Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life.
That's right. Hey.
Others in horses, but
If I talk with you there, the more Kasa Ebro. Oh, Jehovah is my friend, Apenkwa. Hosted by Pukuya 101 and Mike 2. 3 p.m. sharp this Sunday on Adam 106.3 FM. Sponsored by Joy Industries, Amelina Children's Haven, Apumde Herbal Center, Jehovah is my friend restaurant, and our fair win Bora Spicy Kebab. And the puppy na the baby Medina Mutiano Abomodia Borembi. Mokasa is powered by Pukuya 101 concept.
all power belongs to you.
Insurance companies who at time what you don't know Phoenix Insurance. She said one will be at the Niatre. Is I say I bet they say Omutua claims in Tempa. Phoenix Insurance. Or see you rise again when disaster strikes. say a fire, motor, accident, marine, engineering, and now bonds. You dimu akwatene papa. And the ultimate insurance policy wabra. What if you account now to so? One of your short code is so star 389 star 79 star. Now follow prompt no. When I was saying no. Wait me our friend 0302 246 319 of 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. I was a young couple go higher grade fools even to be good car you would thank me later. Fool papa be and chain go higher grade fool. Listen say I come out. Yeah, no. Yes, suitable for all engine types, including the very latest vehicles with the most modern engines. Now, in addition to such superior quality, go higher grade fuels on your San Cofeda F45 with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer. Yeah, man, you're more efficient, eco-friendly. Now you turn at no extra cost. Go higher grade fuels. You move so to me, you know. A Goyle Super XP Ron 95. I just said more car use petrol engines no super. And a bunny diesel so I want diesel XP. You can't use diesel engine now. I turn to be the gumbo call. Available. Our Goyle fuel station BMO across the country, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. So go on and fill up with Goyle high grade fuels. Ajibe Goyle, good energy. Goyle, yeah, dear. William says I can't in TB until I heard this song. Searching Sayam. Now my boy China just say yes you be aware that for or castle base now I see that they search and an say you guys say check it out time now 2 minutes after 4 and Chebia yeah the studio here Baba Danny stage so yeah you know yo rap hi best she says here man cause that yeah I don't 106.3 FM patcho and then so who akwenya say ubetimi anya achede na say me aya na metimu nye de patcho nyabotre enwom no besamba na me pese me ma ofela bi say utie sa afela ya ebeboa wankasa wantie dia ene edu na me bie phone lines na ekwan bi aso obetoto papa so na ototo papa so dia ene oni obi ani asem wakodi weekend no riesa ba se dia mi kan utie ni ye dia obetimi anya achede na weekend yi efia ye de pachoti ene medical catcher say a global hand washing day na adwumaku ba ko a ono so eba no sa wohoro ni ahote ne ade odimu akotene pa no live boy na nei live boy 4% me check Ghana for ade on global hand washing day it may be some questions kakra bi pe ba questions kakra na me bisa no de me be ye omun ka se me fan kan but oho donti me pese oho be che oti na me nkasa kese no ti me mafela kakra de afon se be ya ofra ubenya bibia ka waido anko ya be hadrin ti na me yin se ya mon why ti pachoti o all right sheno so point number 1 ene a global hand washing day me mani mfirutim afi omo madawma enti ye chew achede yi a live boy who say wo live boy soap and ye wo live boy hand washing liquid sheno so pa na e ba no live boy soap na your variant a year mako and 9. 4 different variants. A bano live boy soup na. Nemum live boy hand washing liquid no. You will 2 variants in the womb. It is a ultimation so sa edimame. Bako a total. What I say? And a bako ye herbal. And no. And na live boy soup ya ye kan wase me. Me dey can catch us say 4 different variants. Ebia na mabisa wo edin no. Ti me di kan ma afela no. Ye wo red variant no ewo ho. No ye total 10 sa na ye frɛ no. And ye wo herbal and na ye green variant no. And na ye wo lemon fresh and na ye yellow variant no. And ye wo dew fresh and also ye blue variant. Tinache say echichemu 4 no for a live boy soup no and am de ama no. Na se o use medicated soup say live boy a boa ema utimi fight 99.9% of germs. Etuba na meka say ase toabe iso ebia complete this sentence. Meet me bizarre say if you are using medicated soup like live boy soup, it helps you fight of germs. So who say 99.9% of germs. What you say? And a live boy no so a wow emma utimi ebomodia stay 1 step ahead of infections. Etiana me share the baby film na me to abe so na me say live boy helps you stay of infections. It means that it helps you stay 1 step ahead of infections. Making nano filananam demono. Now, this year, Global Hand Washing Day and our celebration year. Theme a that's one. Fitiano pe what one semwa. Theme that's one. Saying. Unim me pacho say H for hand washing. Say hand washing no spell HDD can just say H for hand washing. It be bizarre we know is well do. Say me nye boni bio. It and I'm more can count. Okay, Okay, so we a top fella be pan and person be more be another question be appear for about say in the past years no about 3.8 million people and a live boy at me reach out to them aboawom e bana huni di ni ade 3.8 million people. It is a whole fella we na say ujija ho de a ene erade yo wa de ni bi about every Tuesday and our first day at Waterma Women's Hospital. Yeah, free breast cancer screening. Yes, throughout the month of October. It's about Tuesday, yeah, bay, and our first day, and we are calling and check out the animal from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Horses, but I trust the one.
I want to share my wife. Oba, a new phone here, pa. Tibomodia say Obabo, my wife. When you agro, who did the agro? Why? About the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, Jumedian so a Basso then at the Accra International Conference Center from Wednesday the 27th to Sunday the 31st of October 2021, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. It is brought to you in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, rent to own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. Kobi Akwaba.
Yeja,
Ade boko na onam.
Braja mi amenam so boko.
De na eko.
Yo mamin fa akonya do na minchia adom ahwefo nyina adom TV ahwefo nyina. Amze de bia makada enye ho na nche enyi bebia. Thank you for making us number one. Yeah, the one I see. You put your kaya for be the big talent show no. Ugudaya Bajay in
oh yeah,
the big talent show. Little men woman.
The last
little people.
No, mission now Clemento Shai said, oh gay ya. Obesai obey Zoom lion dance very
from Benis.
Or say I didn't know Obesai now. Or say was ye run we once
yo the kaka mafu nyina de kweside so yes another one rubber
8:30
sharp on the dot tonight so obi an ye on you ready the all vote now agbaja in the mission panye dem baka assembly chairman for Adom TV the bia innovation yes a new novellas 2 yes rubber
okay
on chebia Jana ze when the Jana put the year my year chezi you prediction kofazi wo
yeah
it's a good year Monday yes for us yes the name our friend till love do us apart. Can you imagine the young there bibiaze till death do us apart but till love do us apart
okay
na ni nyina anye there a police officer bia wa tado there obeche some criminal hardened criminal be onam the munsi ordinary kasane girlfriend ordinary kay abofo bait ordinary kay bait there also suye free all that shit hardened criminally hardened criminal so or a young man very handsome and challenge bibias you know na so wo kanche me yade kwai na so fall in love na so bibia say so insisi I hono nyen on asem no one onye till love do us apart no you start jude ya no so in the Jana time na 7 o'clock ya start be shabo fu nyada won hwe all right on che bia so ya could be a friend so the minis and say ni we abro no ono so orbe we ya anyen ya catch man for there another one is about offered my daughter Duga my daughter Duga
okay
papa bia oye errand man or school bi errand man na ono impotent to be amfi na busuam da na osi na pede obama na Duga young beautiful girl Duga onko school bia obako bia obaton in fact sabi na draw spoon obaton na za hwe na obahwe na wako school na obe nyi papa obe impotent to da chi mo na busuam nti odo si na nyodo obaye na Duga nitiri wewu kakra na e papa or bro no so okay 2k exam sa no 2% you know obi enya 98% ni papa bi say na mo 2% no no Duga ba de am do no wodi mami yo nto je obi na nyo de 100% no no profit do zero
yeah
can you imagine
yeah
na sabi what's the nyimpa bia bibi papa bi onu mu Duga obenyi petitiru no ekono for de yenyi petitiru no e pere amanfo nyina wo hwe
okay
hwe on kire bia oroba wa Adom TV do
right
it's ne buy ande masa mama ze benyin so love do us apart na my daughter Duga na mama ze bay na mama for konya na mama sister the birthday my sister kakraba friend Teresa Esha
me tell the
okay ya baby or achimoda
morning show no da
ya baka ebusia nya ya kese nyakopon shiran na onya ne kese bibi obe bia onya shira
all right Kobi obi a ope classical music pa ni ade na di mame en show say records night baso di fashion team na ya wakobi na emu ye pa we no Salt and Light Music Ministry
okay
and omone o favorite choir the Harmonious Choral Ghana the records night brain na we no ye bro o favorite choral and classical hits ni nyina from back in the day what me akakai the tunes you loved most theme no or say Lord you've been our dwelling place in all generations Psalm 90 verse 1 or just we in a live virtual concert. He's streaming on Harmonious Chorale YouTube channel. No? So on Sunday, the 24th of October 2021, 6 p.m. You subscribe to the Harmonious Chorale Ghana YouTube channel. No, say be to me. I don't want to share side you made him. Patro for further information, Biano. Fred 026-813-0615 and of 0243-588-467. Sounds my bit me Fred 0302-772-013. Now, yeah, Joe, so come up. All right, so yeah, try Jumediano Esso. Now, baby, I do know. Your barber shot somewhere to you for and then around the world in 5 minutes at twice. And then somewhere to you for no. Yenu Abema, Sir Scott, Enna, at the brain, Cecilia, stay tuned.
Abona for death of Samana Horonsa, Namawa, Moa Bonena Chichenuso, Encha.
Honey. It's office won't corner when him Aquataps full safe and I tell me about Udini de Piano. Aquatap full safe and I'm a door home. I send away you.
Almost also Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, Omodi Ebulumusio, Efomusio, Surusio, any Sia, and one tea at the Yawanda Dejuma, Alpha or Halbia Embrace. Osanko, they use with my pomodin so in here yepa. And Nantinato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet me the paper surfaces beer, Emma and Hote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. And if you feel Aquataps Abama Mose, and Beijing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Kratui Atum.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio, share. Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is shot, says you so Bright Garlic Plus, no, Mensanity Ninano, Menuswa Chirimi, and Menuma Tunino, a giant when you know now, dear Simi.
Bright Soldier, a timid general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Obama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a young Jumasem Quina.
Hey,
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and the Hebas of Biamukajo, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic capsules, and your draw that a share FDA. I should just say a gradient cratway, I jet to say,
Yampa. And by kind courtesy, a Bright Garlic capsules here with you who me from Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic Cafe, MTN. And our door master and Pobiman paint the poet. Yet, yes, I'm ready to on for, and every I will feel consumed so. Right up any it you and they ask him where for you.
Yo, Brajery, and there are some of my person make an 8 hour. Abraboya ye boy, when people are determined to find fault, they can even accuse a snail for overspeeding.
When people want to find fault
in you, they can even accuse a snail, say overspeeding.
Okay.
The person me chene say eto de bia brabona ye bono enye obi biara ena epewiye. People will try and bring you down by pointing out certain faults at a wall. Say fault no almost point it out to you. Work towards that, but don't be discouraged. Eto de bia na fault no eno ena e push you to your next level.
Okay.
The me person me chene say fault may come, but eto de bia fault na ebeba wa brabo mu no enye ni nyina ena ewo. Some people just want to bring it to you. Send your beya you be. I said the our person we be anu abembebu. Be open to corrections. So be cow fault chirewa. Be open to it, but make sure say you analyze it first before you take a step. I told the bia ye be can say bia chirewa say e your fault, but e bia na it's not actually a fault or a war, but they just want to use it against you.
Good.
The Americans say be open to corrections, but whenever they point out your fault, make sure say when who say it's really a fault that is with you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's a pa. Sir Scott now, and or they are somewhere to your own for a brain or few quans you made use. You fast down my above phone real quick now for you around the world in 5 minutes and twice. Bright Gallic capsules here count for the amount if he a Greenfield Scientific Ball Clinic. Now we know the ANS a boy yipa. Improve your blood circulation and boost your appetite, multimedia DE power come up. My immune system no day a control your cholesterol and I feel so blood and blood pressure and I feel sugar levels no cholesterol levels near the nan canina and normalizing come up ready to do your bright soya capsules also no enhance libido no na feel sexual weakness no a clear no waist pains near the nebe if you all low sperm count so I will take care of it PBH akwan na eye pa obenya bia to workings work herbal afi hallows herbal okanshi draglin afi so do any chemo kaswa tribal jude bi ho and alternative herbal shops in across the country so also call Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic obenya bi ho and yes our phrase 0243 983 906 and 0261 651 898 and when you today do I am from MTN here and Ogusu is celebrating the 25th anniversary. They say he was short Sunata Makumako 25 sleek one spa or MTN at 25 mega promotional emu. It because we use MTN line of Fakasa for test for browsing use MTN app no Pulse app no Mumbo no use they gain more points wait me in your Kaibako. Just dial star 156 hash today to begin your journey to win big only on MTN everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Finally, I'm fast day on my door master and put my paint depot. About your hot and our back J quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Why I enjoy a 5 to 10% discount. Also, I just wanted to that from Krawunyan Sabe. Say external steel security doors and now say internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, flash doors, glass doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors. Nina are available. Oba painter for more, so I partner with Niche Paint. Yeah, and the addition from by a friend paint now pay later. Schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Now, some of them magic paint, papa, being fanco painting facilities. No, now spread this kind of mom, Namutu and Kakra, bra, young fat interest beyond to so Emma. And quite I will put mine on the Accra Kumasi Highway. In fact, your put my two booth was original two booth more when you try and shop no. For 0542 745 222 and after 050 021 4. And for last number beam 050 021 2447. Now, yeah, viable kama pa. I was shot, baby, I do know. Sir Scott, a better say. Now, around the world in 5 minutes. You repay. Masa rap pa de pa. Hey, jai, kwami, you got. Wow. See? 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 Yeah, remix. See, wawa. See, wawa. See, wawa. See, wawa. See, wawa. See, wawa. Scott,
Brajery,
Scott,
Brajery.
Them are quaba.
Yeni abrapeni.
Say bibi aboko de.
Yakeni o.
Na Gini Foods for want to say.
Omo aroma. Omo de esi apakemu de esi agongongo.
Nice.
Asa men kan just say food product ahodo bi abra. Omo Gini sunflower cooking oil, Gini rice, Gini mayonnaise, Gini milk, Gini sardine. Just a food product bia no.
Nyina.
Wo de wani kire wa ubetimi akwa akotubi.
Okay.
0540 108 531. 0540 108 531. Go frɛ wɔ mo a na waka kyerɛ sɛ sɛ Scott ɛna ɛsɛ me mfrɛ wo. Wɔ mo bɛtew so pa.
Good.
Brajery.
Yes, boss.
Welcome to Africa. Where in every hospital or clinic there is that cleaner or who thinks she's a nurse. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome to the country, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
I just show you.
Men kokora bi. Go church am go nyazam. Men kakura bi.
Okay.
When you say being dumped by a broke man, it's like being discharged from the hospital. Oh yeah. Bema won niska wo jaw wo bana. I said you were free. You discharge you free hospital. Now what pa?
Okay.
Unim. A good sex.
Yeah.
Can make a lady apologize for the things she never did. Like, baby, I'm sorry for the war in North Korea. A good one, of course. A good one.
A good sex.
Oh yes, a good one, of course. You see
so,
what?
You mean say before up one again, say?
If you me, I'm not married, so you for up your game, eh? I'm not married, so you for up your game.
Which they are?
Yeah, Oma worry no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You ma doso.
I apologize for the things she never did.
Okay.
Baby, I'm sorry for the war in North Korea. No,
yeah.
Apologizes.
Yeah.
One advantage a woman when you are going through tough time, and they say it takes away fake friends. Okay. When you are going through tough times, it takes away fake friends. It will be who omo. Baby, I make a crash. I thought that Brady we should shut.
So watch it. Okay.
And then they my foot.
Yes, I got it.
Oh, when you go to a place where the chief sits on the floor, you don't ask for chair. This statement I can't explain, but legends will understand.
Okay.
You are dating a DJ.
Oh.
You are dating a DJ.
Okay, say me a DJ.
Anna Ochiti, you are dating a DJ.
Yeah.
We're cheating also, and you are crying. What do you expect from somebody who can mix 3 songs together?
Any DJ for day.
What do you expect? What do you expect?
I want you.
Na ya ho no ntiaze.
Any Andy Dusty.
Na
obate bugo papa dey.
Now who complain he say and he is cheating on me. What do you expect from somebody who can mix 3 songs together? And you mean say what to me say na we hey. Boy you to move munti. And now me share abrantie bi wa ha. Osu. And I say Adanya Obano Afanichi. I say, now what were you expecting when she told you say you are 1 in a million? Now we expected it.
Okay.
Yentu Kangakra. And then me bonito.
Okay.
Kwame you got to fear.
Yes.
And then me person me channel rap into me we on better.
Oh, better.
On better as a crisis. Me Kwame you got on me no collabo bi entu.
What?
Yankwa Namibia. Unim say gay asemi aye ken. Abrantie bia boboden akọ Namibia. Omo high court.
It's a small place.
Yes. Ese omo ye gay.
Okay.
And na omo che say omo nya akwala ntino. Omo nji omo ntum na omo man citizen. Citizenship card.
Okay.
Yes. Na wo hwa asem we ya court ni say ne ne ha. Never. Akwala no so minim ha wa omusi wu akwala so omutwetwe omus pemps na odi bom na omo but akwala na nka so omo no South Africa but gay for no de omu fi Namibia nti asem aba no.
Okay.
Yesi Kenya abrantie bia ono ankasa aka nanum asem say weku nkwala ntotofe wa mako 10. Ai wedwane afri Nairobi omu prison kese e won wedwane afri ho. Wedwane nti sisi ame no kase womo hwehwe ne dedende a enya asem ketwa. Ma me fa rewu sem we ensori so. South Africa. Ka kwenhye bi bus omo bus ye ne na nenami. Akopye manipa mako enkron including the bus driver. Omo hwere womo enkwa.
Too bad.
This is too bad. No any areho sem wa medi ebeja. Mekwe.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you
something. If all your ex are married, if all your ex are married, Shanensu, as some way I'm making woman ain't ye. So X fo nyina warea. It means that you are not a marriage material. You are a training person. So keep on doing the good work. Aye. So X fo nyina woni omo twem promo nyina warea. It means that you are not a marriage material. You are just a training school. Keep on doing the good work. Oh yes. Stop checking if your woman is cheating. Check if your woman is happy, because a happy woman will never cheat.
Okay.
Nobody pays attention more than a friend who is waiting for a half weed or cigarette from another friend. Nobody pays attention. Nobody pays attention more than a friend waiting for a half cigarette or weed from another friend. Nobody. Medi at the say Scott. Woko Instagram. I say _Scott_official. Scott no. SCOTT. Woko achimoda ye fe kurobi KJB na just say woka.
Na wejebi.
French di baka chiro say Jevel
Capel.
Na just say o te say dem kura na ye becho. Na brajeri ye. Say me ka say kwa mi go to bet na say I don't know. Obeba. Yeah. Me no one you mean.
Okay.
And the beba bonting.
All right.
Weekend we say unko baby ya.
I think Kofu be say you call mountains. Akuapem. So Udurano.
She man from Mamisha.
Oh, there be bad scan shed then you say.
No more sponsor, no more friend.
No, the memras I'm so fashion too. Na me memras. Me as medical can say she am a tumpa there. And you made that my dream.
I'm sending I am.
Me pona say.
That's what name neighbor.
Me pona still she see there we many time weekend there.
Some nkofo no muti.
Omutie.
I'm sending. No more family.
Omutie tum there.
No more family and count. No more shine. Nyame bo chira. Brother Macra.
Oh my goodness. Happy 9th birthday to my beautiful twins, Benedict Oko Abaji, and then Benedicta Akwele Abaji of Living Spring School, Tabora Alaji, from Mommy, Baby Enunyam, and now Ashoka Amuna, someone show happy birthday. And a happy birthday going out to Minister Michael Danso. One fantastic brother. We if he says Scott and Jane. And today happens to be your birthday, Harriet. Harriet, multi TV. Here are the multimedia group. One fantastic lady. One fantastic lady. Oh, I mean, you're about precope because my big sister, the Harriet, in Timifani, Harry, happy birthday to you. Yamisha, now on your case, what you may be quiet, Kasaka, be breed. You don't sabe can be a radimation. So a happy birthday, Mr. Frederick Arthur. We if he Mimi of Double Chris. I say Mr. Frederick Arthur, who is celebrating the birthday today. I was your baby, I do know, but you can't catch on that. Say and then your baby rap. Oh, now Kwame Akwaba.
Revenue just
now. Bibi aboko there.
Nyame adu bibi aboko na.
Nice. Me hoye pa. Lines be at home. Just I know sometimes we do boy or yeah then how do you get your song? How do you get those vibes in the idea?
Say into na me rapper. As a rapper there, or as a sing there, or they say, "Look at so you didn't obi."
So, but sa word play na ya mo ye no. I mean, how long does it take? What Nasia bedrian share be around you and what how do you guys do that?
So like Nina creativity, what I say. So what do you want to say rapper? There's no money now, so yeah. What I say, yeah, and talent no one. So I am a man in your dancer. So I say,
okay. All right. Therefore, mommy and Philly sounds like a crash. What I say, nothing and trust you. Give me pizza. Mama, give me china. Mama, give me fever. I can't want to give me pizza. Mama, give me china. Mama, give me fever. I can't want to give me say come to my siente makananya sanyo mufuti mu eardrum get the tip and the titipo you fetipo the titipo with the money mu tell me I will chest down we go to me than a tankama usually mo go better the katantoma or see me ana sa maxia me ponu mu na usually mata go basanzama hey e ba ne hip hop mini side pop mini side life there ya mean to da get inkom e ka gana kuma dia come dia hama rap cause no competition be damp won pe basema me pe wasem to wasem no ka na ba tie bia sresa go bofuma na me pe wani dia na me yam ti da bia me tie no mercy for my fools start choking, madam and pose. Yadi that street bed so that minimum life, minimum profile can keep it diminished. Minimum Sebuku and Sono, more the same cocoa, more the same taste. Your mamma rap pizza, more the stone. I get a photo young fan mamma, beating the trap of my young fan panel, Tokano one fan, my young fan kind of punches, because back to my young fan son of Warriors. See, then I'm a family, one family, one side, I'm a caution, my baby. See, my posing a camera, 160. Will be a charm, a crime, will be some wine, a crime. Nigga now what the comedy rap by some rappers lies and cranny. New king, new lord, new king, new lord, new lord, new king. One to my see at my pump and so I know I didn't put out what I can tempt. So when it's out to my mouth, phone when me answer my cemetery. We are two. We are doing another come to myself to a pass man, nobody at to fear the no doggy, funny to wash the full body. So when you saw the Tobin cars, they attend the toe. Ejana no wadem dodo menum se medu gina mu achen fufu this year no mercy for the crepe ya bua saje o crutches kura kangusu massa mama mi pizza mama mi mentena mama mi nyami fever na twena hon tontom tenenima mama mi pizza mama mi mentena mama mi nyami fever na twena hon tontom tenenima tie sene ma fame one sere ya mi kwhwe my baby you I pose in a camera, 160 you. Obi a charm, kwame. Obi say wine, kwame. Nigga now what the comedy rap by sound rappers lies and clanning. New king, new lord, new king, new lord, new king, new lord, new king, new lord, new king. And that's New King. Kwame Yogurt. Wow. Charlie, we are live on Facebook. And baby, I will be able to join in. I have done 106.3 FM on Facebook. I'll join in. And if you have any question for Kwame Yogurt, you can drop it. I bet you need a bizarre question. I'm out. You know, Kwame Yogurt vibe and then Friday there. You never call freestyles. I should die in your formal interview. So I don't know the vibe.
I say, my media go to Sampino. Mumu any date, yen save. And then I'm who make him promise and Chamubaka se meeting the mean shave. The PDS Ankuri Hunu. I drew about the ya table. Utiakra within the Burkina, Oba Goliath Kurami say, Mume lifestyle, the Prima and Semfa. And Master me giant some can. Jehovah near me can some power with him. So fear be a Mumepanu go be other. Timetumi was saying, a pete. Mean to me, Sammy Hosso, Miniache. To my jet nephew and I share my woman window, me filia my trappy. My lifestyle in Suaki, like Moon Sempo, and to me Antake. Ah, Namikrom him for a frame you, no mamma fans, Miss Anajai fans and Mamma Sassy.
Oh my goodness! Yes!
I ain't a street hustle for my mom. Life will not be easy, full of drama.
I am falling for as I hustle, they saw me so.
I ain't a street hustle for my papa.
Life will not be easy, full of drama. I want the girl I am falling for. As I hustle, they say, hey, small for the boys, so small money for the boys, so small for the boys, so hey, small money for the boys, so hey, small for the boys, so hey, small money, tear out, hey, 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 hey.
Alpha, Omega, Chineke King, Olua, Wambwa, Woma, one share come to you. Small for their boys, chairman. Life is a whole drama. I move from home to street to feed my mama and grandma. One crab, one thing. Bibia boarding, the Amelia and so many Bibia Tramon, Siama Mame, a foot to go be our mammy. Was a man fan, so I sent a time I drink, so mammy, cause I drink a damn again on my Jenny Gamma Communipa. I'm on 4 3 benzo, range, me pominisi with the Kagame time, say, ya bra 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 bra. When I'm grown, there, man, Jamusua, fine gas and Quan, who was car fresh and Quan, when you be about with Kulanu for Unia, chest and Quan. Some for the boys say, some for the boys say. Tio. Second one, Tio.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
More money for the boys, so. Some more for the boys, so. Some more money for the boys, so. Anti Adwataba, oh for Americaba, something small for your boy, Jimmy Kotiankaba, Papa driver. Hey, won't tell you one Ghana, T, I'm one boy, I'm mobile into Woody, I get it 10 Ghana. Abide 10 years near a time cost and penetrate the security with the sugar that be never fire or one passo. When they have banana, one castle, Miss Rona, Mamma, okay, oh, Mammy, I tell my one castle. Call me yo, never, near sa, near yo, never cost, Uti Olympia, never, something small for the feet, one tea, I feel the heat, and we are baby, I'm an angel, Makia, they are to repeat. One Tiasiana, one Petiana, some soft for the flower apart. One Tia, one Ghana, to what you get a 10 Ghana. Joe, wouldn't it be about who couldn't fool you? Chest and small for the
chest and
flat one.
Oh my goodness. Charlie, this be rap. Kwame Yogurt.
Small for the boys. Small for the boys.
Rockstar. You're following kind of area. You're checking out some few questions. Kakara for you to ask.
New King EP Nana Wutieno. That's right. Look up online. I'll say Kwame Yogurt New King EP. Waria sie. So what you say, never say, that's a dancing ever far. How no? Fabiga laughing, so they show town for said Yoko Mukras and found home. Waria sie. Okay. A man power, what your man power, shall see a 3 times a day. And then I win your second birthday. Next year, over 1 potato. Funny 10, you shall find 20. Yaminti and she never plenty. KFC, well, you be a man now. What the next you try to get and I go back to Abroso. Or can't buy a Marboroso. iPhone, when it be a bounce. No, it's not better than a Sato also. If I book any string to get chat so, get to boys again, tinty apart so, and then I will power you out was a bounce. And to win your Kaya, and I was Sato so, you go him, and I dream, you have a dream, and I dream, yet a team, and I dream. So go feel you coming, you go to let me hear you sing. What I say, hallelujah, hallelujah, in numbers, hallelujah, number 1. So what you say, Yamati, say, that's a dancing at the far. How no? Fabiga laughing, so they show town for said Yoko Mukras and found home. What I say, hallelujah, number. A man power with your man power, shall see a 3 times a day. And then I win your second birthday. Next year, over 1 potato. And then you're watching now go back 3. Wadam Fuchika, Emma Wanimbre. No watching us and watching an maybe I would plane before we am to print you a dream to go. James Fugu, when you see CB says Susuna, how no one can wada, when we have a boom bounce back. Party hard. Can you be saying to your fancy car? You see, can never get the bells over Rossewa, over trust the life and your hype. And tell Uber Blues a Kwame Yogo. Bounce. Say our town for said Yoko Mukras and found home. A man power with your man power, shall see a 3 times a day. then I win your second birthday. Next year, over say honey potato.
You go out to once you say, who do I 3 times a day?
Oh, one number 2.
But the metros I love that. Okay, so yeah, share some few questions. Like I can't have metro. So it's way a new king. Ipino Esonyumana Yeguswa. Yeti by Kwame Yogurt. Balak. Emmanuel. Was it challenge you too? More fire. And then Gloria. Dubaza. Or say Kwame Yogurt. Hey, I'm out for sure. I say so. Can I fear? Cause I say Kwame Yogurt, you do all. Why in and then Mary Obi also say you do all. Ja Skezi was with a humble gangster pa. And then Prince Marcelo was it Jerry Kwame Yogurt is my best rapper for the moment. Yes, Ujana. So and then OG One Gun. I'll say greetings Jerry. Abigail Tenor away Tema wishing happy birthday man Tema come to One Market na ebisa Kwame you say that Ben oba be gina mu Tema for pa na feeling what try show power Tema hey asemo and then Rankanti will say Kwame you got all the way Charlie you too Jumana na you know and then Enyo Ruthie will say hey Allah you be too much. Yes. Alexander agrees to say, I like this guy, pa. He makes sense. He's a rapper, rapper, who do you but come here, you come on, and then we will get back. Now you see other songs now. I will eat in the song. Ebanisana Kwame Yogurt.
Within Kwame you got talent.
Kwame, you got
talent. And I know short I Kwame you got into him spelling now.
What spelling in normal you got spelling G-O-T.
Yeah, and I Kwame you got. What I say? Where's Kwame you got
talent.
Yeah, Kwame you got talent. Yeah.
Charlie, boys. Anyway, at what point and why in Yampa and now wow discover who say Charlie. You were born to do this, so you give it your all and do it.
Actually, that time, you know, like I say, Adum Kasahari, yeah, send me Adum Kasahari boy.
Yeah,
that time, no mean and what I say, yeah, and I'm saying no because any part, met me I can any part can't sama still now that's a review pop skinny. Pop skinny can't send me Satan me condition so Kasahari. In terms of me point, me call dinner me call, you know, I'm so afraid, my friend back with friend Pani. And no friend say omra satan me na mko dan kan time nti atwe no best topic kakra nti pop skinny buy no and I say my friend say okubi omo friend am say ofra week no atwe say bra say pop skinny friend ofra pop skinny also omra nti Saturday no ba be ko no and o ka kire ni say person any friend we ba say friend say Kwame you no say one Kwame you go do onim no ma no man freestyle ho no won hwe Tiff of skinny man freestyle some man another one. I want to see who that member sana 19 na. And I'm a call it's in the week now so man but I no catch him straight say for now no ebi Ghana for who star na but be do sometime ever be the biggest rapper in Ghana.
Wow.
I check time I don't know what you we no. Oh Adum Kasahari no I check benya be 10 years. Yeah. Time I know host it.
Yeah. Wow. And only a month for a year, no more kakra, no one so ye dear, no more. But and no back only which also yeah, Kasahari is like a Yapuno. Yeah. And then people were like, now why not? That's Omo Montiel in Kandania, then people started talking about you, Sanya, and a few days, boom. Me pese yetie Star track and then if you are best number new king ipino so
hey I be the rap comedian
I was you in you
Nia Nega show Nia oh yeah upcoming we feature sack see no ma kele Nia when you mugu be a text to high one check here what the bantama Nia watch she turn up pay what take wa once na see obuasi anka me get me police aba and I dream my taste theater eduane nsu no mukono Unya car fresher. Ubo huno ni gubi taxi ya. Na uge kuta bresta. Uko jumuni wenya ni brazia. Opu obano watu wasia. Wanyema. So papa didija wasia. Na enamu ni ma. Katin kwine wode kambetia. Ubetuye no nada ne kwanchia. Obi ge. Na obi forward ya. So when you belum how dog ya. Frema bi fa woswa. Holiday. Na papa se mun kwafu. Ana wadi to 10k. Na receipt na sa to nsuo. Na ema pewa. Ye di ni se shewa. Si e ka se papi ko de sewa. Patapa. Nede. Nia. Nede. Sade no nia. Waria se. Ti. Nia. Ponobium. Nia. Se ho mami. Sade no nede.
Papa club na we be just sleep queen.
Nede.
No pa we be tria.
Nia.
Na wa ko jam no.
Nede. Wabara wabesua. Nia.
Ena wo mala mhye wo ba.
Nede. Na
etofa ho a.
Nia.
Yesi e ma no we mu odu a.
Nede. Na sa ko a. Nia.
Enka ni obi di masore nede.
Nede. Kennedy be mu. Nia.
Obi ku akranti a ni bi.
Nede. Breko die no. Nia.
Asore no so preach ya.
Nede. Correction time. Nia.
Uni pono bi on bi fia.
Nede.
We me ye no wo be kai no.
Nia.
And then I walk on hand down.
Nede. What time soon? Nia.
Be mama buying.
Nede.
So we ni kemua. Mami yo go to ko boutique na wo ko to shada.
Nede.
Uko fie na hu se e fu sa ne.
Nia.
E sister Bella Mundi ho ye me feso ne.
Nede.
Me dwene ho na me hu se me jimi ya.
Nia.
Haji aforo kisi mafono dia ne.
Nede.
Me sorry na me hu se ya da ya ne ya. Yeria iba.
Nede.
Nia.
Aba.
Nede. Sade no nia. Nia.
Na anyway on. And Sunday opening now, so I saw Pepe.
Yes, I've said
Nina, all right, so this EP out there, Bay, I had the New King.
Yeah, New King.
How many songs now?
6, including BBC 6.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay. So I am now these days, you know, boys, the way I am, I say single. Now be on my fees or buy and one I just say, or did this near there, just say, oh yeah, and you want to farm there, and it shows you know their body there. It been also they are hungry, say. They want to do something like say they already EP bait and maybe an album there. Their
album also next year, yeah, January, February, me drop a album. Yeah,
really?
My media grow rapping my SEO. So I'm son.
So we should expect an album from Kwame Yogurt.
Sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
Next year.
We could not get album in the day, but never say shade it drop EP answer no. Yeah.
And how is it going to be like? Say we at least you conform 1 or 2 bin more on your my works. Those that you featured near the upcoming album send and also one.
Yeah, upcoming album there. Nipa be also, but Okan Krana Reggie was so Reggie Sammy Reggie Rockstone also Sammy. Yeah, Naka was say EP we Naka. But on say EP no nyom no so but now was say nyame so me nko an de no mo tina ma yedi ni na akose album so for because on say album de nyom ne do so
and kwam say the okay am say wo nyom ta pa oh yo mo so ya no ko share studio ana ya
ni me hwe me na me ansa me panyum.
So music now, that's what you do and one idea we are. Wow. Now let's talk about production. Say there are lots of talents out there, but obi one more. When your team be a man one son mu ye pa. But obi okra talent and shed then your papa, but onyo be on nim industry mu ye pa na or church and ha near. It's me boni pa no project na you see no na blue. And you be how is it like for you?
I say me buy and share and just this year na BBC, but so far the industry need the media support na no yet like obi almost supporting me like obi try the best to say we push Kwame Yogurt and the record label no so no they are working harder like
the record label
Sky Entertainment.
Okay.
And as a Sky Entertainment, yeah, a record label be almost no money heading almost for try so me push me. I call Nimpa what I say and a link sponsor support me. Kwame Eugene Dreamwide also like so support.
Now with you and links no and no net saying is it an official thing and I be because of the collaboration with you and Kwame Eugene Intia and now say 100 to say.
Yeah, but I say collaboni bar, you know.
Yeah.
After that, you know, like in Temuanti, but I said that love, no, and that's what honour. But I say, no one else.
Okay, okay, all right. I was na baby, I do know. You bet the next song on the New King EP, no, so. Remember, if you say any Kwame you got now a dinko. Bet me I join here on Facebook. We are live over there. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. And if you have any question, be answer. What the flower? You be beam na the say we are no man so na why ne sa pepepe na ne EP ya sisi there e da bonten obetumi akọ na wa ko stream bi ni ade so atase eno na yegusu a ye feel sounds no so kakra I mean checking here so far we've done the New King for the boys yes,
checking it out.
And then we did one with the Harmony Choir, hallelujah. And then the next one we are about to do Virgin. Virgin, what does it talk about?
Boys, yeah, Kopoti. If you did against anything, you go pay. Yes, why you give him? Equia so or not, she they do the dance, watching on the watch them educate. Boys, see, mama, ye was who you go chop for today. Tea, Nansing a crate will be about say, ye new virgin. See, the falla, they and I say, we no get virgin. See, I say, ton, te, what just will be pompe, pe. What's a me pema, what the SO pem ponche, che or baby ampel ube release I was on che wari I see a could fanti and now ube cola pass what you know panty te every day be Christo tem or baby which didn't go you Jim Pem and your man kwana say maybe soon sword dancing a boot chancem T virgin boy I'm a virgin to my friend virgin or by when you're virgin yeah then the why Daniel Mansa quainty a word to Mr. Drew why you pay me virgin never be a brother won't tia till trouser now me cross my rim who am I who was santimina man I'm a quafa
Rockstar made it.
Boys, yeah, Kopoti. If you see the girls, anything you go pay. Yes, why do you feel? Equia so or not, she do the dance, watching on the work medicate. Boys, see, no mama, you who you go chop for today. T, Nancy, a crate, will be about say, you need virgin. Say the falla, will be about say, we don't get virgin. Say the falla, the other say, say the falla, go be able to say. Say the falla, the other say. Pili. The answers. Boys now made mo anthem. You finish to an amosaki concept. Shout out to the show man them. You travel the whole congregation. You spoil the congratulations. What they were born a kind quotation. Will be Antonio correction. Collection. Trompiata. Ave come see come sa. You for look sharp, brother. Now say why slim down Navada. I did hear Nekate. We lose I te hotel. I did guys been so rich. Sana boys special. Say the falla, go be able to say, we no get virgin. Say the falla, the other say, say the falla, go be able to say, we no get virgin. Take falla, the other say, I say, ton, take, what the just so be pompe, pe. What's a pema? What do you say? Pem ponting, che. Oh baby, I'm Uber release I do something. Che, why I see a good fancy and now Uber call a pass what they do panty. Ewurade ebehwe Kristo ntem oba bi ho kyere no wo yuji mpam enya manko anase mama bi so aso oden sine bu chansem virgin boy am a virgin to my friend virgin oba ya wanya virgin yede ne father na mansa akwanti ehwa tutu Mr. Drew awaya pay me virgin ni baby a brother won't ya see at trouser na me kura sama we me ho ama me ho asanti me na mana me kwa fanfa Kwami Yobok Sissy the falla will be our say any virgin Sissy the falla the other say any virgin Sissy the falla will be our say we no go virgin Sissy the falla the other say any virgin Pili pili pi pili pili we no go virgin Pili pili pi pili pili any virgin
All right, so this is Virgin, and this one is also on the New King EP, so Pacho New King EP, is out there already. You ko na eko prebi what you say, TT binia dia in yen support kakra na yen kwenim. We will come back to a New King EP so, but yemfa we from CC na yen twaso. Abusha okuapema odrano. Koso den uze week we mu na ahyase a chese kwa na nyame adom enkwa nkosi Sunday na chese bibia abawie na we no adom 106.3 FM asempa 94.7 FM na adom TV etechi ne ebon daru so manfo nyina mra na yehia mu na yentwa odura no na activities pina na ekoso na etimi amasa festival bibia etimi akoye onso betimi edom akwakojimu bi the legendary from dance competition ebe koso arts exhibitions ahodo boxing and so ebe koso pa na fe so health walk soccer tournament ne ade na live band music and so be dragum heavy pa weekend we there mountains weekend ya South Africa Ghana food na biamra na o banso a hye no so se COVID-19 protocols in there no yebehwe observing na kama na etimi so asan agiani na bibia akoyi. All right, yebesamba back to a New King EP no so but sanwe ya ntie sanwe a enya de a obeko what you say better than that.
Mix, I see you. You're bada than bad. Mano baya than bass. They can't factor than fact. TSC me dimi huni, swagger than swag. Power farmers and a brother than blood. Me rap on a high, no stronger than drag. Me a small but faster than shark. Me to flatter than flat. Track here, tracker than track. Me rapping, so me a rapper than wa. Ukle me so we a rapper than rap. Trust me the truster than trust. Me a duro me the fuata than fuat. Me zuro me a dwarf than dwarf. Joby boxer was shaman and channel. Me the share get me trouser than trow. Okay, Ramadan haram. But Jimmy sing a jaco bam madam bam. You call moon to kurada na mampam. And yashi missing for the chikurosa mampam. Star you cooler than cool. Timidi Jimmy say fooler than fool. Rap when they say sweeter than soup. My rap here rooter than root. I mean the rap comedian. You go to Congo. Kono tolo. The heat is a amuraba. Me de vimpa neba. Congo. Kono tolo. The heat is a amuraba. Me de vimpa neba. Congo, Kono tolo. The heat is a amuroba. The vampire. Oh yeah, dance, mommy. Hey, Ejumu we the Eurame. Into Eura the amount for letters by my moire. See, Papa won't farm or say more band. May the bay rap for more than 1,000 baby they say Jordan. Munsu yazi so they are fairly tank. Most of rap when you're important, but me get pena you won't dance. Rap style is we gonna abundant. Much more people surgeon and a bem quine. I feel me down for na them.
Charlie. All right, so you're back to the New King. EP is not yet share the next song. Finally, what does it talk about?
Finally, I come a brabo myself because Johnny na and easy what I say. And finally, me do a me pese me do the but finally minam right me who say minam right bada finally minam right what I say yeah me do baby me pese me do no what I say you know e ka me say be first baby ana me nam baby ana me wo na Nyankopon ayi me free ho de me dru baby what I say pese me ni to ade huru no ebe me de me gina sa kwan no so ameko what I say yes until now me dey yes finally no what I say
okay but Kwame Yogurt ufi
Mimi for Asimbreku was Central Region.
Asimbreku.
Yeah, Asimfusu area. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. I was here finally.
I mean, one day to my whole life. This is what I'm there to do. Into my parking, me range room. Here, boy, what town? Until my empty my account. And some part, my Tommy house. Near the Aquariki bar. If I'm say me a cushiony, or Dana, Chimmy, Mamma Jimmy. Who say me a coffee? Who will see it just so? Finally. Hey, I say, finally. I say, street boy, PK, yeah, tongue. Crime, DJ, yeah, bong. But me some CK, yeah, don't now. Boys are so far, no be right now. Attack it, and then my tail and it's ran one PM and I say, we say it's the street boy, PK, head on. Crime, DJ, and bone. But me some CK, head on. Baby, you got to do the bone. Finally. Hey, I say, finally. Now me know they my whole life. They say what don't you do into my parking me range room. Boy town. Until my empty my account. Some part met on me house. The Aquariki bar. If I'm say me a cushiony, or Dana Chimmy Mama Jimmy. Who say me a coffee? Who will see it just so? Street boy, PK, head on. Kwame Nyum DJ, and pong. Bobby some CK, head on. Kwame, you got to stay and pong. Finally. Hey, I say, finally. Hey, I say, finally. Hey, I say, finally.
That's right.
Finally. Hey, I
say one part. All right, so we're going to do the last song on the New King EP. But before we do that, share some of the messages I'm for the about. Now, you're trusting your classic say Jerry Maninya ne first Maninya rap of the first song no. I say live you me chino pa no. And then Akwesi Regina. Hey. Anyway, I say Kwame Yogurt is very unique, not emulating any other, and this is called originality, which comes with versatility. Charlie, Kwame Yogurt, indeed, you be the new king, Ampa. Hashtag new king. All right, and then Ericus, and also I say bad. This guy be the new king, Ampa. And then upon Techi Eugene, I say please let him do better than better. Yeah, no. Kwame, do you also say Kwame? Your energy and talent is on another level, more fire. Cecilia Danso said, Jerry, please help me wish my sister Angelina Danso a happy birthday. Kwame, you got there, Charlie. Kwame all the way. On wow, say Charlie, the rap be too good and hot. Okay. Yes, trust me, anymore. That message is in the door so far. Foster Asmani Odru. I say, so Jerry, are you supporting him with the patapa issue? About your rap, I carry you through. What I want to do. So I say, Kobe Guy Julia. I'm saying we will message no the mobile. Benjiro. I say, Jerry, I love the lyrics. Kwame, you got all the way. Why Nina? Eriku says, okay, so it's meant to reply somebody over there. Any idea? Yeah, trust me, you're anymore. I say, Jerry, please let Kwame Yogot do freestyle of a song featuring One Ghana and ask him when he's coming to New Edubiasi to perform. Hey, and you'll be up as well, baby, all day. I say, you know, be now. OG One Ghana, I'll say, if Jerry play your song, Nede, if you take your girl, hey. All right, so message to the door, but because of time, now you made the last song on the New King EP. And this one they say I'm out for you one. You know what I'm saying? I'm out for you one for Niagara. So yeah, we'll do that one now. Yeah, the annual source. But Kwame, before you be here no you didn't come on aberry, you know. Like you said in your song, finally, Charlie, kakra, though you're hoping to get to be a team say crown year, but so far the Nyamia, you know, is good. And they are calling him the Dawson. Say, then beam now in the next say 5 minutes now. Ghana for a bit say 5 so 5 years. Next 5 minutes. You know, 5 minutes. Yeah. In the next 5 years. Ghana for and share him quiet.
Next 5 years. I was like your boy African. You can't rappers, best rappers.
Yeah.
At least I was say you take Kwame you go to Dinwo.
Wow.
What I say?
Wow.
Say because me share say level now so I dey wanna hear me fe. Even say next 5 years na me near more than on kura na me te say wono. Say you can Africa
African rappers near there. Yeah, definitely, yeah.
That 5 years, even say 2 years in I was say me do sa level no.
Wow.
And me say 5 years I'll be bigger than that. Like on the day.
All right.
Na me what do you say?
Inshallah.
And the Juma no so yeah.
Good. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, if I'm out 4% or more follow Kwame Yogot, if they want to get to know what you're up to, BBA Kosubiana, Kwame and I'm out for the first.
Yeah, Omitimi follow me on Twitter, Kwame Yogot Music.
Okay.
Or Twitter, Instagram, Kwame Yogot Music. And on Facebook here, Kwame Yogot. Yogot in what you do. What I say, and I'm drop a video no so YouTube,
okay.
Sky Entertainment. Yeah, and me EP no so will be a platform be a
the digital platform.
Yeah, baby, Audio Mark. Boom play, friend is saying Apple Music, like everywhere. Baby, I send you over to me and Yanni Bia, no one searching Kwame you got New King tracks in now also.
Okay, all right. Is there any message be up or the Bema Ghana for or fans or BBL deal?
Message they meet me the more money ever minimum no say EP number omon boy me dey push EP no what I say yeah 90 me number 1 what I say
all right and then Abusia this is going to be the last one we're dropping from the New King EP I know if he Kwame you got in chain
Happy beat
Adum FM all the hits and more.
Wariasie. Hey, Bibi Besi. Wariasie. Hey, boy. Long time, whatever in Kata we don't come. I drain and Kasana sometimes. I tear not till you come pump. Last year was a go back. This year, the year, shem pine, non pine, bron pine, sound pine. Ube who me picture TV so. Me voice out radio, me baba get big star demo so. Me free why be na I feel almost say yeah guy. She and your puntina get back ra. Hey, who did say in I sha? Dine bia, silencia, on fashe dine di.
That's right.
Last year I'm going pa. I fear you will say it Musa. Next year not the ever love, fame. Now you will show you pay. Cars. Yes, now make your fancy say. Okay. Ata. One, two. Joko Gary Botto.
All the hits and more.
And Temu Mobo. Mubi Musa, she says it all. Big up to Shatawa, Lake Botto. Them go bow them a head. Oh, Seba, Papa, I've been boom there. Them go see, say, Yameja for Waka. See, cat is Sadua, Nako, Naiba. You. At a move, Bibi, Arias, Gary water. It's a move a mobo. Big up to Shatawa.
Oh man, Kwame. That's a so best friend. I mean, yeah, drama Friday night. Come on, that's a pass. So keep what you're doing, and said the Wawa cow so there in the next few years to come. No, open say your board rappers for Africa. Ha, your book Kwame you got count. Yes, you Tawachi TBB ania. Make sure we did for you. The account say obey on 1 year Juma then Tawachi then. All right. I was your man in Cosun Dia. Medical catcher said maybe activating phone lines. No, now much show at there. Heavy power now weekend the eye day. Me baby be phone lines this is here.
Kenyan and Kobe Bia.
Cherry Justice. Ghana hadie to go me so nyum no no bia de sao if we say Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitigu bia so go me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wo be friend network bia ego bia so don shiri bia de bia sa ko si December e wo to go me so promo no mo na chede aboti won so anka say siswo no e 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na kwaswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bre bia the wait me abekani pampempima wo be win sika be bro 1 million Ghana cedis no ho enti wo trend dia wonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dodon dance say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing you know, a boy who buy every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Mama who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntum Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, and walk Kaisi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jodian Cratry, Maja to Musay.
Semisoriano pa, Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. Emma me confidence, the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me si fitai guso na mesre a. Eya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy si mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni nyina guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. E ma sinye fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enu nti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Aba ma mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, adi nka to ya tomo.
Oh boy, no when it is soon. Chale many ho. As I say me rush through fie see games were ho. Na say na Thursday. Na ka say the Go TV Thursday say the rough. UEFA Europa League and daso and the UEFA Conference League in so dia. Wow lo, when now Go TV so. Nanka minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana cedis benya decoder. Na upgrade called Go TV Max so. Now we enjoy games ni na. Switch called Go TV. Essence say Go TV na Europa. Any Conference League fee. Hey, now why jammy came here? Sell per auto new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she share a crowd. Go TV, love it. Ghana hadie to go me so nyum no bia de sao efri se Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitigu bia so go me so Airtel Tigo e piti free cash data ne community a wo de be friend network bia ego bia so don shiri bia de bia sa ko se December e wo to go me so promo no mo na chede boti won so anka se esiswo no e 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na kwaswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bre bia the waiting be canning pam pimpima will be winning sikabe bro 1 million Ghana cedis no enti bu trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Hello, Ajua.
Mom, me ni panisi opeso be me ho adio.
Oh, eni jesam kai me na me fa jama soap 15 boxes. Enka enyoma obeto no ho why?
Hey, mom.
She, abri biara obeto na se wo si enyoma no. Wonyonko ba ko pa ebe ma ontade efi na aye hwehwehwam. Eni jama soap. Bisa papa.
Na se me hu se da wo ma we si enyoma da.
Hey, sa handkerchiefs no. Me facho.
Jama soap e bonu ni o masidia. Onu ani wa problem yonko. Ye de jama detergent powder for ready. Shady moon. FDA agedi nkra to ya tumu.
Yenso akwan suju medie hia mo man bia nkanko. Edi Ghana eko wiase na di wiase so ba Ghana. Ghana Shippers Authority ani so ade hunu ne se. Ye bebuo nsuo so adwadifo. E wo how bia wonam mu. Efri no ma ayra. Dia seye sika yaje wa emfa kwan so. Eni hawa hudo pi. Ye nya daje tren nsuo so adwadifo. Eno ma eko. Se de be ya wo beti ase. Ye ni so ade hunu ne se. Ye besom ni asom sompa. Ghana Shippers Authority. E wo Ghana Shippers House. Ridge Accra. Gapoha Towers. Tema. NCA Building, 4th Gardens at Chupe, Oakmas, Takrade Shippers Center, Takrade, Yamusa Building, Sansuna Gumbihini, Tamale, Yawo Complaints Unit, Ewo Elibu, Paga, Aflau Boda, Sansuna Kutukarium Shejinabia, and a Takutel, Takrade, Fred, 0302-666915, and I toll free number 0800-300-555. Ghana Shippers Authority, providing shipping solutions.
Semisoriano pa, Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. Emma me confidence, the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me si fitai guso na mesre a. Eya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy sen ho ban e free mowa e boy sen mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni nyina guso.
Enkane no ane maame nom di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel charcoal toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. Emana hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel charcoal toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aje ejodi nkrato ya tomo.
Say donut, 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 donut. Hey, donut, 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 donut. Donut, donut. Yankong cotton donut. Donut, donut. Malaria sugar donut. Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till donut now. Wohonto malaria too. Wohompopo. What will you do? I want you. Donut. Donut. Adabako. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat it scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu hu se malaria wa wumojam ansana wanum Lonat. Na nam yensearch na malaria no daso wo hwa ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratu yi FDA agiatum.
Coffee winnie. Now what say he? Now no me buffer will soap him and yama for an idea shemu must say to when you lotana.
Okele, me hinta some advanced Ghana savings and loans.
Advanced Ghana savings and loans. And to bet to me abu me mama nyabosi abu me dwuma yimu.
Ani?
Means yes sika wo hoi. Wo bet to me abu me.
Oni how cry. Advance when the sounds on obosi atonema go shop mu. And now what to feed foforo. And now they akoyu niama wakraba. Enye den kra. We dwuma nkonto gina advance. Aha, what ye? Wo men kaye. Won saka deposit bia me dey for momo account no so. Akugu won mobile banking service ni mu. Enti wetumi sika sem tutu nyina. Every mobile phone so abribiara.
Wow! Matia Samdapa. Na bro coffee. Men dey hu advance foi.
Call Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and Krabate Duno ewa omaya fana bebia. Fred toll free 0800 355 355. Ana anyone in Kitahon or Abefwe Fidient and Tankasianeso. www.advancedghana.com. Advanced Ghana. Yanewu nyini bom.
Ghana nyina hade ne boss.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3. This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Rhythm of the gods.
What's in
I'm feeling low, even I am coming home in gentlemen. Baby, I'm coming home feeling right. Meaning the way you're nice, the way you're fine. I'm feeling low, even I am coming home in gentlemen. Baby, I'm coming home feeling right. Meaning the way you're nice, the way you're nice. What's in me? I am here. Give me a call. From when I want you, on me better than was a booyah. Hello, I want brave when I want it. From was a booyah. On me better than was a booyah. I'm feeling low, living I am walking just tonight. Baby, I'm coming over feeling right. Beginning to open, the more you're nice, the more you're fine. I'm feeling low, living I am coming over just tonight. Baby, I'm coming over feeling right. Beginning to open, the more you're nice, the more you're fine. I'm feeling low, living I am coming over just tonight.
And that's my man Jalid with Lonely. Okay. Bringing time to 5:30 on 106.3 at Dome FM. The Omu United be activated phone lines. This is Can't see Live Boy. Achedi P. Ude Kofi weekend. You feel bad there. You know what I'm saying? But don't forget, say October. Bosumi Omi on Go TV. A full of endless and captivating drama. Go TV, your home of Europa and Conference League. So never miss a day with your favorite football stars. And then Go TV, a boundless novellas, bro. Ubeti me share Strange Love, and I'll feel Mariam Khan on Star Life. I'll feel Perfect Husband, and our Money Merchant on Z World. Sounds my bit me share Lowly Slack on Telemundo. And for more mind-blowing local series and movies, obey me African Magic Family, and I feel African Magic Epic, and Rock GH. And if you're yearning for more football action, then we've got you covered. Serie A, La Liga, EPL, Dutch, Belgian, and Scottish leagues. Nina Adriago on Go TV. So rush now for your new Go TV decoder at a reduced price of 89 Ghana cedis only. Now to purchase a new decoder, I'll be to me send a Go TV at the across short code 1731, and I'll be to me download the my Go TV app now in order to manage your account with ease. Terms and conditions apply. You know what I'm saying? Go TV, love it, and that's what it is, y'all. Baby, I do know. The trap phone lines now to me this year. In the meantime, your friend Dede. Oh, what time? Community one. Oh, it's your birthday today. Dede, aka Adachi. I'll say Adachi. Your birthday, Nyamias. Happy birthday to you. And to be activated phone lines, this is Sia. Now, what you watch at the Boko? Over to Papa, so there any pacho. Voila. Meantime, a happy birthday going out to Vicentia already Brew of La Paz, 626, and a teacher at Idea International School. And the message here says, there's a treasure in my life which is more precious and rare than anything else in this world. It is you, my friend, and I wish you a happy birthday from the depth of my heart. Hey, from Manet going out to you. And also a happy birthday going out to Mary of Kaswa, Liberia Camp. Wishing you God's blessings, good health, and long life, and prosperity as well as you celebrate your birthday today from Starboy Manuel. And special greetings going out to you, Baba Spirit. Baba Spirit. At the same, Baba Spirit say, and Shankoma a Uber driver, Kujo, and then to Kofi. You're enjoying the show right about now. Abusia, Phone lines activated now. 0302-216-561, 0302-216-562. Yep. Wow. Let's go. Do I have my first caller? All right, let's roll. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Sweetheart, you're from saying?
But you're from Fafali, Sedo.
Fafali.
Sedo.
Yeah. Okay, Fafali. Oh, sorry. Maybe some simple questions. Why? Now, modern bonnet betray say ubi to me any achede their coffee weekend. We are what I say.
Okay.
All right. How many variants and a live boy soup ewo Ghana ha?
4.
The pacho mame any 2 of the live boy soup variants no.
Live boy soup. Total and a heba.
Okay. Complete the sentence with mame. Using medicated soap such as Live Boy helps you fight do of germs. Then Sean.
But your question is
Me say, complete the sentence no. Okay. Using medicated soap such as Live Boy helps you fight do of germs. Do then Sean.
99% of germs or
I say you be all side. Okay, Live Boy soap or Live Boy helps you stay do of infections and also then show.
Germs. Germs.
Okay. One say we next question. What is the theme for this year's Global Hand Washing Celebration? Theme no.
Global Hand Washing Day.
Theme no then.
Theme no then. Live Boy.
Okay. But how many variants and a Live Boy liquid hand wash ever?
4.
About your mommy, 2 variants of Live Boy liquid soup no. Ni dinner then.
No way.
Me patron any answer no dear. Yen fancy ya na yen fire next caller. Mama me pen why because say me you know ana answers he know me team tina me you happy kunti we ya na mama ye hu omo on bit me every ni bibi no straight up na ye call baby. All right, so African yen for next caller. All right, hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Me patron it say. Nah, your friend was saying.
But your friend Eunice.
Eunice.
That's right.
Okay. Eunice. Oh, answer a few questions. Be pen man. Why?
That's you, Mate.
Okay. First question. How many variants and a Live Boy soup ever Ghana?
That's 4.
4. Okay, mommy, any 2 of the 4?
That's a red total and any lemon fresh.
Lemon fresh in the color
yellow.
Okay. Complete sentence we mommy. Using medicated soap such as Live Boy helps you fight of germs. Then in a show.
99%.
Okay. And next one no. Also Live Boy soap helps you stay of infections. Anyway, they
ahead from, I think, 1 step ahead from James.
Okay. All right. And what is the theme for this year's Global Hand Washing Celebration?
H for hand washing.
how many variants and a Lifebuoy liquid hand wash ewo?
2.
Me pacho mommy any 2 of a variant no.
Herbal, any Twitter, herbal, any Twitter.
Okay. Me can be earlier. Me shall say obetimi akaya. Me say how many people have Lifebuoy reached in the past years?
Me
can millions be. So
3.8.
Okay. Well, I want to say we are we no mean ana and the and you can say we are say. All right, it's Patrick Sweaty already and right. All right, yeah, moving on to your next caller real quick. Na yenko name. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, Ovi Media no den everyone say.
Lydia is Malata.
Lydia.
Yeah.
Okay, why ready?
Yeah.
Lydia, how many variants and a Lifebuoy liquid hand wash no ewo?
4.
What is the theme for this year's global hand washing celebration?
It's for hand washing.
Okay. How many people have Lifebuoy reached in the past years?
3.8 million.
I'll try to maybe another day.
Baby.
Okay, so Lifebuoy helps you stay of infections. Then a show
99.9%.
Coach now, you know, no, Kasha was a Kaja or Kasaya Metiwa. A patcho complete sentence means, mommy. Using medicated soap such as Lifebuoy helps you fight of germs. Then.
But.
Next question.
Okay.
How many variants and a Lifebuoy soap ewo Ghana?
But 4.
Okay. Me pacho 4 no name emu 2 mami.
Lemon green. Any green.
Lemon green, any green.
Red.
Any red.
Why?
Dear pa, why? You fancy and fire next caller. Na share on no sooner more than business. See, they are very simple questions, and Mikasaya or Mwachim. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
About your say. Your brother say. Celestina. Okay, Celestina. Yeah, got your name here. Celestina, why ready? Okay, yes, start to say the hair now. How many variants of a Lifebuoy soap and I will Ghana?
4 variants.
Okay, 4 no mommy emu 2.
Lemon fresh and a herbal.
Okay. Complete the sentence. Using medicated soap such as Lifebuoy helps you fight of germs. And then I show
9% of germs.
Okay, so Lifebuoy helps you stay of infections. And then I show
helps you to stay ahead of.
Helps you what?
Help you to stay one ahead of infections.
One ahead.
Yes.
There'll be one BB or okay. Oh, there. Lifebuoy. Out there, I don't know. Now, mommy, the theme for this year's global hand washing celebration.
It's for hand washing.
Okay. How many variants and a Lifebuoy liquid hand wash and so ever?
2 variants.
Name one, mommy.
Total ni herbal.
Okay. Now, how many people and a Lifebuoy are reaching to in the past years?
3.8 million.
Okay. That's it. You'll find next caller. Na yene ononso entoaso. Probably this is going to be our last caller. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Baji.
What your friend was saying?
Patron with Janet.
Janet. Hey, not a man kwan a friend African.
Aye. A
man kwan a friend. Anyway, Janet. How many variants and live boy soup? To me say live boy soup. Aye, soup.
Patron 4.
4 no day.
Red near total 10. And herbal green. Green variant. And lemon. Fresh lemon no lemon fresh near yellow. Yellow variant. Okay. And Joe fresh near blue variant.
And the watcher so far with the hand they won't know what me answer better crash will be but coach no or catch us or catch up I am Missumiti. I am company. Also match. Provide answers no more. Provide answers no more. Okay, you move on to the next one. Okay. Complete sentence way, mommy. Using medicated soap such as Lifebuoy helps you fight of germs. And then all.
99.9% of germs.
Okay. And Lifebuoy helps you stay of infections. Then it's all.
You're one step away, one step ahead of infection.
Yes, Susukunto. Wow, no, Kunto was the other. All right, so what is the theme for this year's global hand washing celebration?
H for hand washing.
Okay. And mommy, 2 variants of Lifebuoy liquid hand wash.
Total. Na herbal.
Okay. How many people have Lifebuoy reached in the past years?
3.8 million people.
Okay. Yeah, that's why. Almost started celebrating. I'm jubilating there. Shoot. Hey. Sta-da-da-ba-bam-bam. Sta-da-da-da-da-da. Hey. Sta-da-da-da-da-da. Etian Chebia, yede winners no ebe to dwa na yehu omofie be ye nika this weekend. It's all here on Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Meantime, let's check out this beautiful love song. Etil sing.
If I'm saying, Matia do Mammy Jimmy, why and who send peace with Missy Massument? Things for you never lost. It must have any choice. And my do when they boss, like I never lie when they sauce. You are my sweet honey. Why do you see trade? About in the serious. You are my sweet. Sweetie papa, and when they come home, I hope they come home. I wanna get you on my telephone. My can come, I go marry you. Throw mama no one for me, daddy you. One more femme, put me come yo. Girl, I wanna get you on my telephone. My can come, I go marry you. Throw mama no one for me, daddy you. You are my body, me see chain, body, me see the one for body, me see chain, body, me see can't say the big to the can't say the big to the
she wanna roll and smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say other girls like my thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Hop on the wagon, baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture.
With the man, just on a go 106.3
my cruise. You know the vibes, you know the groove. Only why they miss my mood. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Up on the wagon, baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. I got a girl, she a London thing. She wanna roll and smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say other girls like my thing.
June FM, all the hits and more.
Take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Hop on the wagon, baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Another. Girl, if you love it, they make her get the energy. But she want a boy, so she never go to tell me. Girl, when your mama dancer, then she get the boyfriend and who send me nasa. Oh my baby mother, come give me a lover. Then she get the boyfriend, she know I am my mother. Oh my baby no tempo, oh my baby no tempo. Me I tell you no lie yo, me I tell you no lie yo. Oh my baby no tempo, oh my baby no tempo. Me I tell you no lie. So she never go to
Ututia 106.3 Adom FM, of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. Very soon it's going to be checkout time. Now for your source near the number, Nunsia Cassiabo, Abrel, Ifa Abednego say, hey, Bride Jerine, Master, you do all. And then on him, my friend Poma say, happy birthday in advance to Papa Bills. Okay. And then Togbo, Mavis, I say, please, the number again, share promotion area, I feel up a number. Roland, I say, to say, happy birthday going out to my sweet daughter, Nana Abena Sewa Bonsu. Whoa. That's right, yeah. Okay, Pacho, winners. Mona Mubenya, Shede, dear fee, live boy, Jumedia, Yadebro, Cecilia, you what I say. Mona Mudin, edit this way. Janet, Janet Gay. Okay, Janet Gay, free fee tema. Oh, yeah, winner. Sanso Ena Celestina, Pedato. Also free fee Ada also winner. And then Eunice is it Ajalo? Okay. Also so free fee Bechili also winner. And Fafali Pedo. Mini Pegato. Back when you might be okay Pegato. See KPEDOR. And then me Pegato. Charlie. Fafali Pedo. So free feel body. Also, winner. Eti sa nkrofu foi. Mona mobom humodi. Nti mona mubinya achede and why. Nti definitely ebe contact mona fe mwache there from live boy, and that's what it is. This one here says, good evening, Jerry, please wish Madame Beatrice Kwale Oye of Dodua Presby School a speedy recovery for me. Wefi kweku nchen kweku ewo Sarah Foods war Tema Newtown Fishing Harbor. Yeah, all right, so this is gonna be our last song for today before we check out. And you know I love this one. Sweetie Jolly. Kill Beat, Ofurian Ponsa, Kim Promise.